Hello everyone, so in today's video we'll be looking at how to design hand knot. So a hand knot is a fastener designed for easy tightening and loosening by hand. It's usually used in applications that requires usual adjustment. Without further ado, let's jump into the SolidWorks design. So what you're looking at right here is the actual design that you will be ending up with. Now let's go ahead and create it. So to create this hand knot, click on new, click part, and then click OK. Now let's select the phone plane, go to sketch and create a center line, and then follow up by creating the actual lines. Here it should look something like that. Make this line and these points coincident and start adding dimensions. This dimension should be 6 and this dimension should be 13. This angle should be 4 degrees and the height should be 8 millimeters. Alright, now let's go to feature, revolve boss, click on this line. You should get something that looks like that. Now let's go ahead and create the wing feature. Go to sketch, click on this line and start drafting. So it should look something like that. Let's add in a radius, go down, all the way down, go back and create a radius again, and you should be good to go. Make this line horizontal, and now let's start adding dimensions. This one should be 2. Let's add in a point here to add the total height, and it should be 18 millimeters. This radius should be 4.5. Alright, let's make this curve and this line tangent. There you go. Now let's add in an angle here. So this angle should be 45 and the width here should be 35 divided by 2. Let's make this point in this line coincident. So you should get your fully defined sketch. Now let's go ahead and mirror it. Click on center line and click on mirror about, select all the entities and then go to mirror. Click OK. So you should get something like that and go to feature. Now let's keep it mid plane and make it 3. There you go. So you should get something that looks like that. Now let's add in radius here in these 4 lines. Click on fillet, make it 3 and click on OK. So you should get something that looks like that. Now let's add in helix here just to create our thread. Go to sketch, let's create on this entity and convert. Alright, once you convert it, go to feature, click on curve, helix, and make the height 10, pitch 1, starting angle 0, click OK. Now let's create the thread, select the right plane. Let's create the thread profile, select the right plane and go to polygon, 3 lines, and create a polygon here. Alright, make this line horizontal, make this point with this curve coincident, and the dimension should be 1. Alright, now let's add in extra lines just to make our thread correctly. Add in a center line here and add in another center line here. Alright, let's make this center line, this midpoint coincident to this line, and let's give a dimension to this one. So this one should be 0.25 and this one should be 0.125. Alright, now let's add in a 3 points arc. something close to that, and make it tangent to this line. Make this point also coincident to this line, and add in an extra line here. Alright, now let's mirror these entities about this center line. Great, now let's trim. Alright, now let's add in extra dimensions just to make our profile fully defined. Alright, we're good to go. Now let's go to feature, swift boss, click on this profile, and then click on the curve. And you should get something that looks like that. Now let's trim the exceeded material. We'll trim it by creating two rectangles. The dimension should not matter so much, it should just be larger than the thread. Extruded cut, mid-plane, and just make it larger than the thread itself. And voila, you should get something that looks like that. Now let's hide this feature and create extra fillets. Click on this fillet, make it 0.25, and let's click on this fillet as well. Few more lines to go. There you go, you should get something that looks exactly like that. Now let's add in the writing, the M6 writing. Click on plane, offset by 7.5, and click on this face again. Let's sketch and create a center line from here to here. Select it and go to writing M6, and go to font, make it bigger writing, and here let's make it 16 points. Alright, exit the sketch, click on the sketch again, and go to wrap. Select the face and wrap it around it. Make sure that you're selecting these two features, this one and this one, and make sure that the height would be 0.125. Click OK, and you're good to go. Let's clean up our design. White background, and let's apply the material on all the parts. Alright, so that's our design. I hope you like it, and see you on the next one.